Hello again. Doing this quick video again to do a little update, keep you guys informed of the puppies. Tomorrow they will be turning 3 weeks old, and as you guys can see, we have them all color coordinated. Regardless what the color may be, majority of them are males. The only one that's female is the one in the back wearing the pink. The rest of them are males. Just had to deal with the colors that they had in stock. So I'm gonna give you a little showing of the puppies so you guys could have a little idea what they're looking like. This big boy right here in the purple, he's the one with the little stain on his eye. He got this little beautiful little stain right here off his eye. He's actually one of the nicest ones. He's the only one that has some little bit of color on him. Everybody told me I want all white one. Honestly, I don't have no problem with staying with this one. He's gorgeous. Look at the size of his paws. I said he'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow, and his color is purple. And we weighed them all today. They're all weighing roughly 4 pounds. Okay, and this one coming up is color lime. I said another male. They're all gonna be males. Yep. Another big boy right here. Yep. Gorgeous dog. Another one. Same thing. Nice big paws on him. Yep. Nice, beautiful pup. He's all solid white. No color on him whatsoever. Okay, this one right here is green. This color is green. I told you guys last week, pretty much they all look just about the same. Got that old grumpy face for now. They're so beautiful. A full thick coat. Nice big paws. Nice long tail. Alright. This, I don't know if I mentioned it, but he's green. The color of this little guy is green. Alright. This one coming up. This boy is orange. Yeah. Look at him. Beautiful. All tired. They all ate. Mama just went out to have her little break. They all passed out. They don't do much but sleep. Eat and sleep. The lime life. Okay, here we have the runt of the litter. This is black. Yeah, his color is black. He's the least two. I believe he was weighing a little over three and a half pounds. But I said he's all white. Nice healthy little pup. Yes, a little bit smaller than his brothers. Probably a little bit smaller than his sister too. Yep. Here's another big boy. This one is teal. His color, yep, nice. This one's a real nice one. I really like this one a lot. He's trying to get them little speckles from his nose like his daddy. But they all end up getting that. They end up getting solid when they get older. Here, hold them. Let me see. Gorgeous little puppies. Nice big paws. Show them the tail. Yeah. Nice size tail. Beautiful puppies. I said it's kind of hard to pick. Very hard to pick. Here's the other male. Look at him. Red. Another one of the biggest boys here. Look at that face. Look at that beautiful face. He's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yep. Color red, so they're going to keep the same color all the way till they're ready to go home. And later on, over this week too, I'm going to be giving them their hearing and vision test. Make sure they're good on that. But it doesn't look like I've had any problems. And here is our only girl. Our beautiful little girl. The little sister. I believe she was the sixth one born. 6th or 7th born. Yep. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, any more? That's it? Yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys got a good look at them. And you guys know who you are, what pics you guys have, and I'm pretty sure nobody's going to be disappointed. Everybody's going to be taking a lovely puppy home come May 4th. Thank you guys again.